We went glamping at Mount Engadine Lodge in the heart of Kananaskis, Alberta, and had a great time being out in the backcountry, enjoyed really tasty food, and nice accommodations. It's nice to be able to forget about the worries of city life and get great views like this when you wake up in the morning. We wanted to enjoy the fresh air out here, but the wildfires burning in Alberta made that impossible. We love using apps like AccuWeather or Fire Smoke Canada because they allow us to monitor the situation and adjust our plans accordingly. Unfortunately, the wildfire smoke was also getting into our accommodation. It's a good thing we were prepared as we brought our trusty air purifier with us. It helped to filter out the pollution from the smoky air with its HEPA and activated carbon air filters. A good air purifier like this one is not just useful at home. Bring it glamping or on your next road trip when staying at Airbnbs. Something to consider next time you head out during wildfire season or whenever.